Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters in the BP Fuel and Charge application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look up there and you can see a search bar, and right next to it you can see the filter symbol. You can just press on it and you can basically filter the charging stations or the fuel stations depending which one you want. I'm just going to show you the charging stations for now, and you can add your vehicle there if you have one registered here. You can for example activate to show only available charging stations, show only BP and ARA stations, the connector types you can choose, the minimum power, and the accepted authentication like Fuel and Charge app, Fuel and Charge card. You can just press apply filters after everything is done, and you will be able to find basically all the locations accordingly with those filters. If not, you can just reset it basically and start all over again. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.